Live Lingua Spanish episode 28. On the fly. How long have you lived in Mexico? Now let's see if you got what you've learned in this unit so far. In this episode, we'll see how well you can answer questions about how long you've lived somewhere, on the fly. We will say a time frame in English, such as 4 months. Translate that into Spanish and add the sentence "He vivido en México" in front of it. Here's some examples. 4 months. He vivido en México 4 meses. 6 years. He vivido en México 6 años. Like in the past, the first time through, we're only going to say it in English. Then we're going to give you time to answer. The second time through, we'll say it in English, pause for a while, and then give you the answer in Spanish to make sure you got it correct. Let's get started. Empecemos. "10 days. 8 months. 2 weeks. 5 years. 4 months. 9 weeks. 1 year. 3 days. 'And now let's do it again with the answers included. 10 days.
He vivido en México 10 días.
8 months.
He vivido en México 8 meses.
2 weeks.
He vivido en México 2 semanas.
5 years.
He vivido en México 5 años.
4 months.
He vivido en México 4 meses.
9 weeks.
He vivido en México 9 semanas.
1 year.
He vivido en México 1 año.
3 days.
He vivido en México 3 días.
Hey everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video and your Spanish is improving like mine. You can continue the Spanish course by clicking on the next episode, which is on your screen right now. If there's any topic you want me to cover in a future episode, please just leave a comment below. And finally, if you want to get additional free Spanish practice, get early access to all of our videos, and find your ideal Spanish tutor, just click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hasta pronto.